In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a vendor ledger in Zoho Books. If you're managing your finances through Zoho Books and need to get a clear understanding of your interactions and transactions with a particular vendor, viewing their ledger can provide vital insights. Let's dive straight into the process to make this both quick and efficient for you. First, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard of Zoho Books. Once there, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find a variety of options. You're looking for the one labeled Purchases. Clicking on this will expand a range of choices related to your purchasing activities within Zoho Books. Among these options, you should see Vendors. Go ahead and click on Vendors. This will bring you to a page showcasing a list of all the vendors you currently work with. This list is crucial as it organizes all your vendor contacts and relationships in one easy-to-access place. From here, you can search for or scroll through to find the specific vendor whose ledger you wish to review. Once you've located the vendor, go ahead and click on their name to open up their profile. When you click on a vendor's name, you're taken to their detailed profile page. This page is specifically designed to consolidate all relevant information about the vendor. Here, you have access to their contact information, any outstanding bills, and a summary of recent interactions. What we're interested in today, however, is the ledger, so look towards the top of the page. You'll notice several tabs available, and among them is one labeled Statement. Click on the Statement tab. This option is where the vendor's ledger resides. The ledger is essentially a comprehensive record of all your financial transactions with this vendor. This includes payments made, bills received, and any other financial interactions. The ledger is a highly valuable tool as it provides you with a chronological breakdown of your vendor transactions, making it easier to reconcile payments, resolve discrepancies, and maintain a clear understanding of your financial obligations and credits. This transaction history can also be beneficial for reviewing the frequency and consistency of your dealings with the vendor, which can assist in decision-making and financial planning. Remember that maintaining an accurate and up-to-date ledger is essential for efficient financial management. Checking this statement regularly ensures that there are no surprises, and it helps in tracking the financial health of your relationships. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and review a vendor's ledger in Zoho Books, gaining valuable insights into your financial interactions. This method simplifies the process of managing vendor relationships, keeping you informed and prepared. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we encourage you to continue exploring the features of Zoho Books to enhance your financial management expertise.